Today is Friday. It's September 4th, and it is a great day to be a Charger. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Just a quick thinking about you. We want you here. Please make sure you are attending daily to school and advisory on Wednesdays. That advisory piece is so important, especially now with RTI going, because A, you'll get to see the daily bulletin, and B, you get to know what classes you're in for RTI. So make sure that you are showing up. We would love to have you every single day here at school. Hey, this is our last day for the Thought of the Week. Thought of the Week from Magic Johnson. There's winning and there's losing. And in life, you will have to know that both will happen. But what's never acceptable to me is quitting. So again, this comes back to our being ambitious. Make sure that you go after all those goals that you're seeking and don't stop until you have achieved what you are aiming for. All right. So with that in mind, we are Chargers with Heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with Heart. Have a great day.